Anna Hazare is all set to embark on an ambitious national tour, spanning every nook and corner of the country, lasting over 18 months. The planned tour rolls out from Punjab today from the Jallianwala Bagh. Now, Hazare will address 8 public rallies in Punjab during his 5-day Jantantra Yatra beginning from Amritsar. 2 years after his successful August Kranti fast in Delhi and a year after a similar show in Delhi where Arvind Kejriwal announced the team's political ambitions, this fast is Anna's first bid to reignite the crusade against graft. Now this while his key lieutenant has already broken away, public support has dipped. So the question is, can he really rally people around his cause? On his part, Anna remains confident.
लोगों को जगाना है, संगठित करना है, जन लोकपाल आना चाहिए, साथ साथ राइट टू रिजेक्ट आना चाहिए, साथ साथ ग्राम सभा को पावर मिलना चाहिए। तो देश का भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त भारत निर्माण करना है। इसलिए देश में संगठन करने के बाद 1.5 साल अमृतसर से मेरा जनरल वीके सिंह और हम 1.5 साल टूर चलेगा देश में।
Now after Punjab, Anna will go to Haryana and then Uttaranchal. In these 3 states, the 75-year-old Hazare is also scheduled to address meetings in at least 3 dozen cities and towns, culminating in Haridwar on April 17. After completing the 3 states and a short break thereafter, he's going to go on the second leg of his tour, covering Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, the dates of which are yet to be finalized. Headlines Fizz Vijay Kao has been tracking developments, now joins us live from Amritsar for an update on Anna Hazare's plans as well. At this stage, certainly it's an ambitious plan to reignite his campaign and try and garner that support again. Vijay, just take us through, the various challenges that we can expect Anna to face. And of course, at the core of it will be his popularity, his mass appeal, despite breaking away from the Arvind Kejriwal faction.
Exactly, after his split, so-called with Arvind Kejriwal, and after the split of the erstwhile team Anna, this is one of the opportunities that Anna Hazare literally has to kind of show his strength. And now he's starting his Jantantra Yatra across the country from here in Amritsar at Jallianwala Bagh. Now, Aditya, one thing that is very, very visible, unlike all other rallies that Anna Hazare has held and all the other public processions and public gatherings that he's addressed, there is no formal arrangement over. If I could ask my camera person to pan and show you, there's no tents, no loudspeaker systems, and even if you see the amount of people that have gathered over here today is not because Anna Hazare is particularly coming, because this place Jallianwala Bagh has a history attached to it, and that is why a number of people throng this place every day. So it will be very, very interesting to see how many of these people translate into ground support for Anna Hazare as he comes here and kickstarts his Jantantra Yatra for a number of issues that he has been demanding over the past few years, including a stronger Lokpal and electoral reforms, primarily because of which this whole Yatra has been galvanized together. Aditya, back to you.